Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital laser measuring tapes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RockSeed Digital Laser Distance Meter. If you're looking for a versatile and precise tool for measuring distances, the RockSeed Digital Laser Distance Meter is an ideal choice. It offers high accuracy with 1/16-inch precision and measures up to 165 feet. You can switch units among meters, inches, and feet, and utilize features like area, volume, and Pythagorean methods. Its large backlit LCD guarantees visibility, and the mute setting allows for silent operation. The device's compact design, dual bubble levels, and IP54 rating make it durable and easy to handle. With a 12-month warranty, it's a reliable companion for accurate measurements. Moving on at number 4. We have the PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. The PREXISO 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand precision and versatility in their measuring tools. This device offers a 135 feet rechargeable laser measurement tool and a 16 feet manual tape with a magnetic hook. 6 laser modes, including distance and Pythagorean method, guarantee flexibility. With extreme accuracy within 1/8 inch, you can trust it for any project. The durable rubberized and ABS case resists rust and water. Rechargeable via USB Type-C, it provides up to 5,000 measurements per charge. Users love its accuracy, though some mention minor alignment issues. Overall, it's highly rated. At number 3, we have the Charcity Laser Distance Meter. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and efficiency, the Charcity Laser Measure 196 feet distance meter is a top choice. With its dual emitting laser and quick calculation chip, you'll measure with an impressive 2 mm accuracy. This tool caters to various needs, calculating areas, volumes, and Pythagorean distances effortlessly. The 2-inch backlit LCD ensures clear readings, while its IP54 design offers durability against water, dust, and drops. You'll appreciate the lightweight portability and the convenience of measuring in both metric and English units. Plus, with a 24-month warranty and positive user feedback, it guarantees reliability and value for money. At number 2, we have the MiLESEEY 229 feet Digital Laser Tape Measure. Looking for precision and versatility in your measuring tasks? The MiLESEEY 229 feet Digital Laser Tape Measure with angle sensor offers exceptional accuracy and ease. With a 70-meter range and tune precision, you can switch between units for tailored measurements. Its electronic angle sensor enhances accuracy, displaying real-time angles up to 0.3 degrees. Versatile modes like auto level and auto height handle complex calculations effortlessly. Compact and splash-proof, it's perfect for home decoration, construction, and interior design. Enjoy 30 data records, energy-saving features, and peace of mind with a 24-month warranty and lifetime support. It's highly rated for accuracy and convenience. And finally, at number 1, we have the Charcity 197 feet laser measuring tool and 16 feet measuring tape self. Combining a 16 feet manual tape with a 197 feet laser measuring tool, this 2-in-1 laser tape measure is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling large spaces like rooms, construction sites, and warehouses. With 6 high-accuracy laser modes, you can measure distance, area, and volume, or use the Pythagorean method. It offers precise measurements, switching easily between meters, inches, and feet. Its Type-C charging allows up to 5,000 uses per charge, and the auto-off feature saves power. Durable and portable, it includes a magnetic hook and belt clip. The LCD display and 30 data storage enhance usability despite a learning curve. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.